Wellness 101. Expert tips for healthy living.
Breast reconstruction is something after breast cancer surgery that's really a way to restore the form and function that's been taken away. Options for breast reconstruction really depend on what was done to treat the breast cancer. Some women choose to have nothing done, others elect to have breast implants, and even some use their own tissues to reconstruct a breast. Breast implants currently are very safe. They're FDA-approved medical devices, with the caveat that they're not designed or meant to last forever. So that means sometimes people have to have them changed or even removed. Breast reconstruction surgery can be done at any time. However, outcomes are typically better if it's done at the same time as your mastectomy, but it can be done later on. Most commonly, people are referred to me from their breast cancer surgeon. However, I'm happy to see people anytime here at St. Peter's Health Plastic Surgery for any breast reconstructive needs.
To learn more about reconstructive surgery, call 406-457-4190.